please be seated? Every year for our Advent candle lighting, we invite some of the newer folks in our congregation to come forward to assist us with that. And today we have Carrie and Jackson.
You know what time it is. It is already the moment to expect God's justice. Today we bless the root that is already blooming for the harvest. We welcome the child that is already prophesying to the nations. The hour is already here, even as we are waiting. Soon, yes, very soon, peace will prevail. The poor will be fed, the persecuted will be relieved, the vulnerable will be sheltered, and all people will flourish together. God's peace outshines every fear, and so we light a